right up.
Real nice. Very nice. Strangling it bad. Yeah. Oh, you gonna run it like that? Let's do it. Hell yeah.
Race bike.
A lot happier like that.
It's pretty rich.
Yeah, you can smell it.
I don't like that big range yet.
No. You can see it come out too. It's a little
74, I think I put in.
74?
That ain't very good.
No, it's not.
I figured it was 76.
Nah, I could probably do for a little bit smaller.
That's what, yeah.
That's old gas? Really?
That's half old and half good up.
Oh, okay, that's what you were talking about.
No, that's the other side. Mixed up the
Oh yeah, mix with the new stuff, yeah?
well, that's the brand new stuff there.
Alright.
But this, I put a gallon of the new stuff in the gallon of old stuff.
Gotcha.
I'm going to drain that out. And I'll put that in there. I'll put the race gas in it. That'll change it too, but right now it's not happy.
Is there a timing adjustable on this?
1 1/4 out.
Is there timing? Is timing adjustable? It is?
Yeah. It's got a lot of
It
crank.
sounded a little bit retarded.
No, it ain't retarded.
No?
It's got a lot in it.
Is it?
The curve's a little lazy on the beginning,
Yeah, that's what I mean.
but it's big. Where's my picture?
It just sounded like it was playing catch up a little bit.
It's got a lot of
But
cam.
it could be that fuel.
It's the fuel.
Yeah.
There's a lot of cam in it.
Yeah.
There's paperwork in there somewhere. This wood. Yeah, I have the instruction sheet for timing it. What I did with it.
No, I don't know what's looking at that.
It didn't get put back over here because it'd be right here. Right in the top, no, I took the photocopy sheet with me.
Oh.
More piece of paper. Ah.
There she goes.
Bose 1.
Okay.
So it's not until almost 3,000
That sounded about right.
before it's fully out.
Right.
But it's at 35 degrees. There's an extra degree in it, so it's 36 degrees right now.
Right.
And it's got a good solid 10-to-1 compression in it.
That's probably just fuel then.
You know, if I go over this curve here, it'd be more aggressive, but I don't need to be that aggressive.
Yeah. It's probably just fuel.
It's lazy.
Yeah. It's just fuel.
And that's probably why it doesn't like to burn it either.
Yeah. Well, it sure the hell sounds like a bike now.
But there's no no oil, no smoke, no blow by.
Yeah, that's nice, huh? Was it had blow by real bad or what?
It wasn't too awful bad. But it was it definitely was wings were not happy in there. But now it's that all new. You saw the blower finish I had in there. So.
Yeah.
I don't really have a lot of problem with breaking motors in.
Yeah, I wonder.
Oh baby,
I wonder what.
She's rich.
Yeah, but it's not that bad. It's not dumping fuel.
Touch rich.
It ain't dumping it.
Yeah, but that was the clean one.
Oh, that was the clean one?
Yeah.
Oh. Yeah.
That was the clean one.
So I don't understand why you guys run Champion plugs.
I don't. That's what was in it.
Oh.
I got those over there.
Oh, okay. Champion plugs are trash.
See, you had to clean it. It's cleaning the tip off.
Yeah. The worst plugs ever made. I mean, they were okay back in the 70s.
No, they weren't.
They were alright. They were alright. They weren't bad. That's a better plug.
See, I don't know if we need a 7 or 8, but the way it's running right now, 7. It runs like a shit, 8. But this pipe is not helping it.
No.
And the other stuff didn't do it. But
Okay, so you're on curve. What curve are you on right now?
1.
1. That's pretty trick. You just change the number setting on it, huh? The pin. You just change the pin setting.
You have 4 different choices for the timing curve. But the Rembler only goes to 7. I can't go above 7.
Well, that can't be too cheap then, huh?
The module?
Yeah.
The Dinosaur is $300 for those.
Oh, okay. Because I mean, that's pretty on the fly almost. And what about here? Is that adjusting
That's
anything?
how you adjust it.
Okay. So this is the program. This is the setting.
Yeah.
Okay,
When
got
the
it.
red light goes out, that's where it fires.
Okay, got you.
So you put on top dead center.
So that's going to be your point gap.
Yeah.
Okay,
you
got
put
it.
on top dead center.
Got you.
The red light is on. If not, rotate it backwards until it is.
Okay, got you.
Because this one's counterclockwise.
Right.
And then you rotate it slowly until the light just goes out and then lock it down.
Gotcha.
In your time.
All right.
And then you're all on to whatever the electronics are.
And whatever setting you are, that's where this curve is right there. Oh, okay, that makes sense.
But I can go into my computer and do whatever I want. I got 0 to 4 degree window to 12.4. From 0 to 12.4. That's my box. And if I want to cheat, which I do on the timing back there, I'll crank more on the flywheel over there.
Yeah, okay, got you.
And I can get more than 40.
Got you.
And I go for whatever.
So that's just like timing the cam over there on
I can
that
cheat
side.
however I want it to.
Got you.
But I have to dial back to low RPM
Gotcha.
timing to not be too much of a fighter.
Okay.
But when I set them, I always think about 20 degrees of timing at idle, 18 or 20 at idle.
That's fine.
With a big cam, they won't hold anyway. But yeah, there's not a drip of anything on the blow by this little engine breather here. And the other ones are up here.
Yeah.
They're all active. There ain't nothing.
And that's good.
These rings are broken in from the get-go. Yeah, that's just 2050 max, or 2560. 2560.